Trust.
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 Trust. Trust.
I think maybe trust is one that stands out. There's a lot of companies that say that they have trust in their people, but then a lot of their actions can reflect that they really don't. Always just trust in your people and believe that they can do the job that you've asked them to do.
We're trusted. I mean, they know what we're doing, so they leave us alone. We don't have somebody breathing down our neck. So, and I like that about this place, that they trust us with, you know, $100,000 machines.
We trust people and their integrity to make the best choices for the company, right? People come to work to, you know, do what's best for Steffes as a whole.
We want to show it. We want to show that this isn't something that we're just preaching. We want to show that we trust one another. We want to show that we have each other's backs. That way, when people come in who are new, they're gonna, you know, a lot of new people don't know, they're just saying this to get people in the door, but then if they can actually see it, it'll keep them around. It'll keep the people that we need around.